Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix connections issues in 3Commas. Connection issue while using the 3Commas can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to monitor trades or manage pods in real time. And this problem can happen due to weak internet connection, server downtime, app glitches or incorrect setting. The good news is that the most connection issues are easy to fix. So first what you can do is you need to check the internet connection. Go to your notifications bar and check your internet connection there and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Simply toggle it off and toggle on. You can also turn on your airplane mode and turn it off as well, and restart your router if needed. And you can also restart the app. Once you open to your 3Commas app, you can simply go back and you can open it again, and this fixes temporary glitches as well. And sometimes check server status, wait for a few minutes and try again to open it. You can also check the official social media for the update, and that is it. This is how you can fix the connection issues on 3Commas. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.